Hi, I'm Matt from Rybrook TV, and this is the Volvo XC60. And well, just take it all in, because I think this is one handsome looking car. This is the R design, so you get this gloss black honeycomb effect grille down here, which is just incredible. Moving around to the side, Thor hammer headlights, lovely, love them. You've got nice 19-inch alloys on this particular car, and I just think it looks fantastic in this silver. Gloss black door mirrors are fantastic. Tinted windows always adds a bit more drama to a car. And then, as you can see, we've got the roof box on here, which shows this car's adventurous side. This is the Volvo, if you like, in the range that you're most likely to take on adventures. All of them can, but this is probably the one that you go for. You've got this fantastic shoulder line which comes from around midway in the car down to the rear, and just look at the way the light bounces off it. It's absolutely stunning. Moving around to the rear, we've got the wraparound lights, which are Volvo all over. Let's open up the boot and take a look inside. So there is plenty of space in here. You can get plenty of accessories as well for your XC60. So there's a boot mat here, dog guard as well, and plenty more. I mean, there's all sorts that you can specify on your Volvo, and we'll leave a link in the description to our accessories page. So let's drop the boot, and then if you join me in the front. So the interior, well, it's just fantastic. It's so beautiful and stylish in here. I really do love Volvo's interiors at the present. You've got the digital display in the center, you've got the touchscreen infotainment system in the middle, and these seats are stunning. Gear selector down here, all very easy to use, and it's just a real premium place to be in here. So that is a quick look around the Volvo XC60. Now, if you'd like any more information on the XC60, or any Volvo for that matter, do please contact either Rybrook Volvo Chester or Rybrook Volvo Warrington.